salutations. Welcome to another episode of VTTU. Today, we're going to start things off with a little berry picking. What kind of berries, you might ask? Well, one of the really cool things that came with our house is a couple blueberry trees in our backyard that I have done an awful job of maintaining. But the good news is the trees don't care because they are flush with blueberries. Check this out. Also, this is what asparagus looks like when it gets too big. These are asparagus plants right here. And I like eating asparagus, but yeah, anyway. So this is the start of me trying to free up some more of these blueberries. You can see there's one in here that has not suffered quite as nice a fate as the one on the edge, but there's still some really big juicy blueberries on the branch, so I'm hoping soon to get in here and clean some more of this up. Tell me in the comments below, would you enjoy it if I did an episode where I tamed this jungle here and saved the blueberries? Let me know below. Anyway, I'm gonna try and do some picking now, so yeah, I don't know if I can do this one-handed. That might kind of work. The big ones are so good. I definitely feel with blueberries that the larger the blueberry, the tastier it is. The little ones are okay, but I want like big chunky berries. Here's everything on the spectrum from, I mean, these are pretty big, but I also want to watch out for like, this one's got like a little bite in it, so something enjoyed this. They get to finish it. And then the big mammal, well, he's most destructive. Oh yeah, there's some good ones there. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about right here. These big, giant, quarter-sized blueberries. They're so good. I think I'll ravage this enough over here. Doing pretty good. Almost full. Now these ones aren't as big, so I wonder if this is in a different variety, but I don't think my wife is gonna give a shit. She's gonna be like, sweet blueberries, and then she's gonna eat them. It's interesting, the ones that weren't trimmed as well seem to be making way better berries, so yeah, I need to get in there and save these things. And Man, what are the good ones all in the back here? Oh, yeah, I need one. Oh. That's what I get, I guess. All right, well, I think that's going to be the end of the blueberries today. We got a pretty good haul here, so I'm going to go put these in the fridge, and then I'm going to give a quick garden tour while there's still sunlight to do it, so be right back. Okay, so now the business is taken care of. Let's see, today is... Today is Friday, July 30th. It was raining a little bit earlier, but now it's nice. It's nice out. Our front yard stuff's doing pretty good. We got some hostas that are popping right there. Daylily action, you know, that red stuff. Forget what that is. And yeah, I really need to get in here and clean this up. It looks like a goddamn jungle. But the important thing is that the feeder is out. Anybody who knows me knows my love for hummingbirds, and they're out. They're here. They're battling. Hopefully, video coming soon showcasing their fabulous awesomeness. But here is a view of the garden. All right, so here's what's going on in here. I have, oh, this poor sunflower fell. These guys, my sunflower game was not on point this year. My seeds got planted way too late. Because of that, like, I still have some of these starters, but there's some in the ground I'll show you over there. The tomatoes are doing fantastic. The heirloom guys have a bunch of stuff on them. The snackers are doing quite productive and are absolutely just exploding with flower. And the Rutgers in the back, they really, they like hanging on the ground, so I gotta come back and trim them again because I'm a little worried about the blight. But over here we have a Brussels sprout that time forgot, and a watermelon. I was really worried about the critters eating these. I question whether I'll get anything out of it. So here's some of the sunflowers. These are where some of the spite peppers have ended up, and you know, they're growing, they're doing good, but I don't see too much action on the top there. Some of the remaining peppers doing okay. This poor eggplant is the only guy that made anything for us. The artichoke's looking good. I'm hoping to get a nice bloom out of this. I really don't care about the food component of it. The tithonia is a monster. And it also attracts a ton of bees who just hey, I'm just stopping by. I hope some of this is in focus. Anyway, the bees love the tithonia, so that's cool. Basil has been hit a little bit by whatever got these. You can just see the critters have really decimated this. But the basil's just like, watch me get oh, here's some, here they are. And they're doing their thing. Goddamn beetles. Get out of my fucking plants, you beetles. The wall of cukes is doing super productive. It was powering up for a while, and now we're starting to get some real nice sized fruit in here. Fruit and tootin'. Oh, this is, I'm glad I have a chance to talk about this a little bit. This is the new and improved Fort Beans. The old one just trapped the ivy, and this one has 3 kinds of beans right now. These are some Oregon Pacific, those are something else, and these are some lima beans in the end. And I don't know. These look kind of weird, but I mean, I do see some flowers in there, so feeling good about that. The flower patch is looking quite spectacular. I'm very pleased with this year. These snapdragons are snippety snappity, but I like that they're growing vertically, but I wish there was more of them. So anyway, over here we have some sad zucchini action. This zucchini here is just, oh, dropping my hat. Sunglasses. This zucchini here has seen better days. And it looks like this part is starting to tear off a little bit, so I'll probably bring that in sooner than later, but I'm really hoping this one makes it, because I think you're supposed to have two. But this one's looking pret's healthy. I see a fruit on there. Our butternut are doing their thing. These are butternut squash, so I'm excited to eat some of these, and we're at least we're gonna get some of those. The spaghetti squash. Oh, there's one in the back there. I see one spaghetti. The acorn. Oh, another spaghetti up here. Look at that. So I've trimmed these fairly aggressively because they were really spilling out, going crazy. Speaking of going crazy, this is normal dill right here, right? You see that stem? This is monster hulked out dill. Oh my god, I'm gonna kill your parents and eat their souls. Like, what the fuck happened here? This is normal dill, right? Normal dill. Insane monster dill. Please explain. Do not understand. Literally, do not understand. Round things out with the cantaloupes, which aren't really doing anything. Making some nice flowers though. I dig these. Yeah, the monster side of the cantaloupes kind of growing out here. And yeah, looks like something's been snacking here. Yeah, that's not good. Anyway, the other cool thing I wanted to show before I jumped out of here is we got a pumpkin. Look at this son of a bitch. He's like well, not basketball size, but he's looking good. I believe this is the pie pumpkin. Let's see. Yeah, short stuff. Yeah, who knows what the hell that is. Anyway, yeah, we got some flowers here. This well, this is almost the garden tour. Yeah, so I'll show you so these are the sunflowers that we have, some late season ones. The Velvet Queen are one of my favorites, so I'm very happy to see this one doing nice. Cleomes really pulled their own. Very happy I did these this year. Definitely going to try and plant these next year because they look excellent, but they definitely need some trimming. Some of the ones that I trimmed a little bit more did better, but anyway. So that's the garden tour. Not a ton to bring in right now, but that's okay. I still have some more crap to clean up here, but you know, it's feeling really good. I'm digging the garden space, and I'm feeling very fortunate for what we have. So, next thing on the agenda is fishing. So, a couple days ago, a guy on Fishing 802 named Mike Santos sent me a message and said, "Hey Matt, we got an open seat on a boat. Do you want to come jigging Lakers with us?" And I said, "Yeah, hell yeah I do." So tomorrow morning at 4 a.m. I'm going to get up so I can be at Mallett's Bay Boat Launch at 5 a.m. and I'm going to go jigging for Lakers. I cannot express how excited I am to go out on a nice boat and yeah, just get at them in deep water, and oh, it's going to be good. So I hope you've enjoyed this garden tour, this little appetizer. Let's get to the fishing, huh? How about that?
Gotcha. Let me show you how a net guy works. That's a good fish.
Hi, my name is Matt Gilbert, and today on BTTU we've been out fishing for Lakers, and someone finally caught one and they're gonna bring it to the boat. Get it! Get it! even unhooked himself for you. What a nice guy. Oh, listen to him fart. Oh, he's mad. That's how I like him.
Alright, let's get him.
Yeah, successful trip. Third hookup of the day. Awesome. How was that? Yes. Hell yeah. All right, let's keep going. See if I can get one out here. Ah, how about that? Do you want to drag it all, or?
Yeah, let him run if he.
Sorry, man. That was awesome.
Net right down there.
Sweet. Here you go.